Welcome to the video. Today we're going to change over this bathroom tap. Right, as you can see then, I've already done the hot tap. We're doing the cold, and we had a load of taps fitted throughout the building, push taps, ideally to save money. Problem is, with this cold tap, these two are alright, but when we push this one down, it will just stay on. And we have to pull it back up to get it to stop, otherwise it will just run continuously. The idea of these was to save water, and if anything it's actually worse. So, gone ahead and bought a pair of these, £17 on Screwfix. You can see I've done the hot, now we're going to do the cold. First thing to do then is to isolate the water, so we're going to go underneath. It's this one here, because that's going up to the cold. And we're just going to turn that upwards, as you can see, so that the water's off. If we turn it back, as you hear the water comes straight back on, so leave that upwards. As you can see now, tap's off. It is actually pushed down now, but nothing's coming through other than a through dribbles, but they're just what's left in the tap and that little bit of pipe work there. Right, so got a basin wrench here. As you can see, I've just got a little cheap one. It was about £5 from Screwfix, and the idea is I'm going to try and get this on video for you in a second. We're going to try and go up here and loosen this nut here first, and then there is one further up which secures the tap in place. But this is just a flexi pipe for now. I want to get this off, and then we can get to the nut above that. I have also got a bucket underneath because there will be some water that falls through. Right, I'll try my best to get this on video. It might be a little bit hard though, to get a good view. There we go. So I might be able to do the rest by hand. Yep. Like I say, we'll have some water in there. But my phone's caught a lot of it. That's fine. There we go. Right. That should hopefully be loose enough for us to do the rest by hand. Yep. So that has to come all the way down. I'm going to just put my bucket back underneath. A bit late now, but still. So all the way down. All this is doing, this one now, this is what holds the tap in place. There we go. So you get the fastening nut, get rid of that, and then the tap. Itself. Now what we can do then is fit the new one. We just need to fit the new tap now. So to take this off the bottom. That's what will secure it in place. Obviously put the tap where it's going to go. Make sure the washer's nice and lined up. And then we will be securing it again with this. So again, like before, if we just took one off, now we need to attach this new one onto the bottom of the tap there and make sure it's nice and secure. One hand on the tap at the top there, and the other one is used to screw this on. As you can't really see because my hand's in the way, it's just slowly going round until it's tight enough. You might be able to do this by hand, to be fair. You kind of use the tap to tighten it, that's what I do. I can hold the nut in place and I pull the tap round instead because you've got more leverage on the tap. So I'll keep doing that a little bit until it's nice and secure. So as you can see, the tap is on, it's nice and secure, it's not going anywhere, so now I just need to attach the pipe back up. Now it's just a case of attaching your flexi pipe back onto the bottom of the tap. Again, it's going to be fiddly, so just take your time. Once you've got it going a little bit, it's alright. Right, so that is on, so now I just need to tighten it up. Right, so you want to do it as much as you can by hand, and if you can get to it, tighten it up a little bit more with your basin wrench. Moment of truth then, we'll put it back on. Let's hope we get no leaks. So it's a good sign that already you heard the water go through and it's kind of stopped. We've got no visible drips underneath. It all feels dry. Let's just check if that comes through. And there we go. Still no drips. Tap shuts off as it should. It works just as it should. Right, I do apologise, I know that wasn't the most clear video, it's just hard to get the camera under there, so if you do have any questions, just pop it in the comments and I'll do my best to help you. Hope this has helped though, and I'll see you next time.